In this video, we'll explore why biometric technologies that use a passive challenge response improve security and remove friction. Liveness technologies can either be active or passive. iBeta, the world's leading biometric testing lab, defines the two. Active authentication elicits a voluntary response from the user, such as smiling, blinking, turning the head, or reading out loud a sequence of words or characters. Passive authentication does not require the user to perform any actions. It detects liveness through clues in the imagery. iProov liveness technologies are both passive. The user looks at the camera looks back, and the authentication process is complete. We designed our systems to be passive for several reasons. The first, accessibility. Organizations need to grant users frictionless digital access while assuring they are who they say they are. However, by asking users to perform actions, active authentication solutions add friction, increasing the possibility of excluding people based on their physical and cognitive capabilities. Let's say the challenge response involves the user turning their head in different directions. Someone with mobility issues may not be able to perform these actions. According to the World Health Organization, 16% of people globally have a disability. Excluding these people has ramifications for organizations. Governments have a statutory responsibility to deliver services to all individuals. If they exclude certain people from digital channels, transformation efforts fail, and governments have to return to costly in-person channels. This amounts to a waste of public resources. For private organizations, like banks, excluding users from digital channels equates to lost revenue opportunities. 16% is a large proportion of a bank's total addressable market. Exclude them, and they'll take their business to a competitor. By contrast, iProov's technologies do not ask users to perform actions, meaning they deliver the greatest security without adding cognitive or physical load. This is one of the reasons why we were the first biometric vendor accredited to the Web Content Accessibility Standards AA 2.2 and Section 508. Our inclusive by design approach boosts accessibility and conversions for our customers. Next up, security. There is a misconception that active technologies are more secure. The opposite is true. As we know, these systems work off the concept that a user is real and not a spoof attempt if they perform the actions asked of them. But this means that the challenge response is revealed to potential bad actors. It gives the bad actor the blueprint to reverse engineer and exploit the authentication process. If the technology requires the user to blink, smile, nod, or turn their head, a bad actor can produce a deepfake that performs these actions. On the other hand, passive technologies obscure the authentication process, strengthening the technology against reverse engineering. Key takeaways. 1. Unlike active systems, iProov Dynamic Liveness delivers the highest security while removing friction. 2. iProov technologies accommodate all users, regardless of age, literacy, physical, or cognitive ability. 3. This translates to higher conversions, an expanded total addressable market, and greater inclusivity for iProov's customers.